In today's video, we are going to show you how to share files and folders with Proton Drive securely and easily. This is perfect if you want to share documents while keeping your data private. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Proton Drive, I want you to click the Create an Account. Creating an account here is simple. All I have to do is choose the plan that you wanted and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've done that, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Proton Drive and you can select the theme that you wanted. In my case, I'm going to be choosing Monokai. Click the setup. I'm going to install that later. Just click the continue button and click the get started. Now, as you can see on the top corner, you have the ability to click the new button. You can upload a file, upload a folder, or in this case, what we are going to do is create a new folder, which you can rename it whatever you wanted. Okay, in our case, I'm going to be choosing this file name or folder name. Click the create button. Here is the fun part. You can simply drag and drop any files that you wanted here. All right. As you can see, you can click the upload a file or upload a new folder if you wanted. If you choose to upload a file, what will happen is it will be forwarded to your desktop. All I have to do is choose the file, for example, this one right here. And then as you can see, the uploading time will appear at the bottom right corner. And once it's uploaded, you have the file here. Now, if you want to share this, all I have to do is very simple. You can select that and then go to the three dots icon where you have the option to share. Okay, so you can, because you are the owner, you can provide the access level. Is it going to be like a viewer or editor, which gives permission to your client, to maybe your team member. And if you wanted to create a public link, you can also do that. It's very simple. Once you've done that, you also have the option to make sure if they are going to be a viewer or editor. It's a matter of preferences. So once you've done that, click the X button because it's automatically saved. Now, if you want to share a specific folder, instead of clicking the three dots here, all I have to do is right click on it and then there is an option to share. Similar to the sharing of files, on the folder you can also add access, add people here if you want. You can add people here if you want and choose the access level if it's going to be a viewer or editor. Okay, and basically that's how you share files and folders with Proton Drive. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.